guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I transform my full-on frizz hair into smooth, silky, soft hair using the Minizone hair straightener. This is actually a 2-in-1 ionic straightening brush. So it straightens and it's also a hairbrush. Usually we use a hairbrush and a straightener if you're using a straightener because you want to untangle your hair and then use a flat iron. But here you have both in this device. But before I show you the magic, I'd like to take this moment to thank Minizone for partnering with me and sponsoring this video. And now without further ado, let's begin. As explained, it's a very simple device. So simpler the better for me. I don't like to operate too many buttons. It comes in a compact package. And in that you will have the brush, you'll have 2 clips, a glove to protect your hand from the heat. Although I used it without the glove as well and it worked just fine. And then you also have instructions step by step, but you actually don't need it because it's pretty self-explanatory. And you also get lifetime warranty. That was so important for me. The brush comes with a travel case, so it's very easy to toss it in your handbag or your suitcase and travel with it as well. I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways to straighten your hair. One is the traditional way, and on the other side, I'll be showing you when I'm on the run, like when I want my hair to be straight in literally 2 minutes. I'll start with the traditional method first, but before you use any heat on your hair, remember to always use a heat protectant spray. I'm using the Chi Iron Guard. So the Iron Guard helps to kind of form that layer on your hair and it stops your hair from fraying or frying from all that heat. Again, you don't need to be a genius to operate this device. It's so simple. There's only 1 power button and 3 different temperature settings. When you press on the power button once, it goes to the lowest temperature setting, which is 320 degree Fahrenheit. And then you press it again, it goes to 360. And then you press it again, it goes to 400. And then you press it again, it comes back to 320 and so on. But if you press it and hold for a bit, it turns off. So it's that simple. Now, if your hair is damaged or, you just don't have healthy hair, I would say keep it at a lower temperature. If you have thicker, more unruly hair, go for a higher temperature. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'll keep it at 400 degrees. When it's getting heated up, it basically gets heated up very quickly, you guys. When it's getting heated up, the light keeps blinking. And when it reaches that temperature, it's a solid light. That means we are good to go. I've center parted my hair and I'm going to tie up on one side because I'm going to show you a completely different method on the other side. But on this side, let's do the traditional way. I'm going to put on the gloves that came with it, and this is a heat resistant glove and you can see the silicone spots on it, and that's what protects your hand from all the heat. The beauty of this hair straightening brush is you don't need another brush or comb to first comb your hair and then use the straightener. I use my finger to part my hair into smaller sections, and then I place the brush underneath my hair and just comb it one time. And you can see the results for yourself. That was just one use and you can see how beautiful the hair looks, how shiny and frizz-free it looks. You don't even see wrinkles on my hair. Remember, sometimes when you use flat irons, it can give you those crazy lines, especially near the roots. Here, you don't see any of that. All you get is super silky, smooth, shiny hair in no time. I'm just going to clip it aside with the clips that was provided with the straightener. And now I'm going to do the same with the rest of the hair. So I'm using my finger to part my hair and I'm going to place the straightener underneath my hair and just comb it one time. Let me pull you closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm sectioning my hair with my finger, placing the brush underneath, and I'm just going to comb it down one time. The straightener adopts high quality negative ions to make your hair straight and smooth and no frizz and no damage. Unlike other flat irons, sometimes you can burn yourself. There could be hair damage if you keep it for a long time pressed, because it is a flat iron at the end of the day, and it gives you that very flat look. Sometimes I feel like my hair looks like paper if I don't use another brush to brush it down, but with this you don't have that problem. Let's go ahead and release the hair on my left side, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful, smooth and shiny, and it doesn't look flat like when you use a flat iron, like paper flat is what I'm talking about. It doesn't look like that. It looks healthy. And if you remember how my hair looked, you can see such a big difference between the two sides, and in no time, basically in less than literally 5 minutes, you can straighten your hair. And how about we make that 2 minutes? So on the other side, I'll show you when you're on a run, what to do. And that's exactly what I did. And I was so happy with the results. And this is my favorite way of doing it. Okay, so what's my favorite way of doing it? I don't section or part my hair or do any of that. I just use this like a brush. So I keep brushing my hair until it's straight. Then I've brushed my hair maybe twice or thrice. You can already see such a big difference. There's no frizz. It's already started to look straight and healthy. This is perfect, especially if you have a crazy schedule like me and you want everything to be quick. This is probably the way to do it. And this is my favorite way. Again, I don't know why I'm saying it so many times, because I literally loved it so much when I tried this out. What I do is I brush my hair from the top a few times and a couple times from the bottom. And then I pick spots where the hair is uneven. So I just take those spots and straighten it. As you can see, the front part is a little uneven, so I'm just taking that small section of hair and I will pay extra attention to that. So basically, this is the lazy man's way that works. So it's almost like you're spot correcting, you know what I mean? So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Let's compare the two sides. Can you see any difference? Let me know in the comment section below which side you like better, or did you feel that they look the same? Now for the front part, here's the trick that I follow. If you don't want it to sit flat on your forehead, just take a little bit of your front section and run the brush from underneath. That's pretty much it. It's that easy. You get healthy, shiny hair without the wrinkles and the flattening or the waves. It just looks stunning. There's one more thing. Let's say that you straighten your hair and you're just distracted. You forget to turn this off. It has an auto shut off in 60 minutes. How cool is that? With that, they have a 24/7 customer service assistant to assist you with everything that you need. You have a lifetime warranty, and you also have a discount code that's listed in the description box below. I hope you'll take advantage of that, and let me know if you want me to show you how to curl your hair using the same iron, because this iron can be used to curl your hair as well. And I'd love to know what you use to curl and straighten your hair, so sound off below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out all the links in the description box below along with discount codes. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys!